Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and today I actually gave a 20% freebie with 1000 sets, and there's like a 20% win that you can have. If you're watching this video and you find sets being here, you can actually try it. Now the pattern is very straightforward and very simple. Now because Bitcoin is pumping and breaking, I think that 1000 sets had this symmetrical triangle, and if we rely on a technical analysis, as far as I'm concerned, there's a nice good break that happened here and a retest that has happened as well. And another thing is that on the daily time frame, before I get into Pepe, we have invalidated these two bearish candles. You can see we had two bearish candles, tweezer top, got invalidated, and then it pushed above. So it does look like if you take the top to bottom of that pattern. So I'm gonna go back into the 1 hour time frame. Just want to show you this very quickly, because if you take this trade, you can actually win, and be glad that I talked about it. So try it out. I think it's not a very big risk here. It's almost like a 2% risk. So if you take the top to the bottom, and this is where you're breaking out, you're looking for a nice good move from there, you can actually have an amazing 21%. So try it out. I think it's gonna be good. Let's get into Pepe and let's watch the next move at the moment. So we have come down and we retested one particular place that we broke out of, and that is this break right over there and something like that. Now there's a little bit of a debate whether Pepe is having more of an ascending triangle like this. So if this is considered to be an ascending triangle, then I think we might see Pepe going on from there to there, and we could see for a nice good push to the upside, and that is going to be this technical target of nearly another 15%. So we could actually see a little bit of that move to the upside again and eventually take a lot of stop losses. One particular price that really makes a lot of sense to me is if we go on the 4 hour time frame, there is one resistance line that I think is going to be a lot. It makes a lot of sense to go up and retest, and that is going to be this line right over here. So if we could actually see, Pepe starting to push higher, it could actually be up to that line, because ever since you broke down, there was no retest that happened with this line. So if you go back up and touch the line to 2994, I will not be very surprised. But at least I think we have an almost like an ascending triangle. So it's very safe to say that we could still see a little bit of a push higher to 2400. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.